Hi everyone, how are you all doing? It has been months already that we have been battling this coronavirus thing, and I hope we are all doing well and we are all staying healthy. So during the months that went by, we can see that a lot of people are really in need of surgical masks, the face mask, different types of masks. For those who are using or into surgical masks or the medical masks, I want to know how you are trying to safe keep these masks within your day. Like every time you use it, if you want to keep it for a while, do you put it inside the pouch, in a plastic, in a bag? Like how do you do it? So please comment down below and let us know how you safe keep these types of masks. In this video, I want to show you how to make a DIY face mask keeper. What is it? It is a tool or an accessory to safe keep your mask, basically. I'd say this is an important tool because one, having this minimizes the damage or the contamination that would come to your mask because you can keep it inside this keeper. Two, it extends the life of your surgical mask in its original shape and form without it being crumpled or crushed inside your bag or pouch. 3. It would help you cut costs by constantly replacing your mask. Like for example, you just went out for a meal and then suddenly you accidentally place the mask on top of a public table. So would you still want to use it, right? So by having this keeper, you can always make sure that your mask touches nothing else except this keeper. And 4, you will be organized. Just insert it inside your keeper, shoot it in your bag, in your pocket, and you're ready to go. So materials are just so simple. First, you need plastic folder or laminate sheets, ruler, pen, and pair of scissors. As you prepare these materials, don't forget to wash your hands and sanitize your materials as well. So first, I pre-cut my laminate sheet into a rectangular shape of 20 by 12 centimeter. Next, we are going to fold it in half vertically, and you can use the pen to apply more pressure into your fold. Next, we are going to fold it horizontally, leaving 1 centimeter gap on top of it. This will give more protection to our mask. Next, on the bottom part in the middle, we are going to cut off 1 centimeter width from it. You can either make a line using the ruler or you can just simply go ahead and cut it directly. This space will make the folding later easier. The final step, we are going to cut off a triangular space near the edge of the bottom line. And we're done! This is how it looks. So now, I'm gonna show you how to use this keeper. The outer side of your mask should be the one in touch with the keeper. Place the mask on top of the keeper. Fold everything horizontally. The nose strip part should be on the upper folded part. Next, we would fold vertically. Then pull the ear bands and wrap it around your keeper. So it's pretty simple, right? Don't forget to regularly sanitize this keeper both in and out whenever you use it. And always wash your hands too before and after handling your mask and this keeper. Hope this video helps, and Please do share and give a thumbs up if it does, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as you'd be helping me to reach a wider audience in the efforts of doing DIY videos and spreading easy-to-do hacks. Thanks for watching, and till the next video, stay safe!